In railway exams, especially these questions are confirmed. Here, how it can be solved. You can observe the series. It is a positive series. You can observe the element is 12. You can observe the number is 12. You can write 12 as two successive integers. Two successive integers. How it can be write? 3 into 4. It is a positive series. Obviously, answer is greater one. I can explain in detail. You can observe this question. It is a negative series. You can write also 12 as two successive integers. Here answer is 3 because 3 is a smaller one. Clear? And one more thing. Thank you.